Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this video, we will see how we can create a table using the SQL editor. So we can create the table using two different ways, that is using the GUI and the SQL editor. So we will see how we can use the SQL editor for creating a table. So let's connect to the SAP HANA system. So once we are connected to the SAP HANA system, under the catalog we will be able to see all the different schemas and all the database objects inside those schemas. So let's say if I have to open up the SQL editor. So if I select the schema and if I click on this SQL editor here, it will open up the SQL console wherein we can write the query to create the table. Similarly, we can create all the different database objects like procedures, triggers, synonyms, everything inside any schema using this option. So now we can see that it is selecting the current schema as A_HANA 11 because I have selected the particular schema and then I have opened the SQL console. If we don't select any schema, it will create the object under the default schema for the user, that is my HANA user schema. So here we can write down the query to create the table. So let's say if I want to create a column table which is customer underscore 3, and then we have to specify the column names and then the data type. Similarly, we can give all the different names and their data types by the comma separated values. Now if I want to make anything as a primary key, I will write down the primary key and then we have to specify the column name which we want to make it as a primary key and then the semicolon. So once we have written down the statement to create the table, we have to click on the execute. So I can see that the successfully executed in this much time, and then if I go to the schema and then the tables, so we will be able to see the newly created table, that is my customer 3 inside my schema and the tables. So I can open up the table by double clicking it and I can see that the 3 IDs which we have created, the 3 column names inside the table which we have created that are visible to us, that is the customer ID, customer name and the order ID. And we have selected the customer ID as a primary key, so that's why the key column is selected for the customer ID. So this is how we can use the SQL editor using the SQL console in the HANA Studio for creating our database objects like tables, procedures, packages, synonyms, etc. Thank you.